The biggest mistake is buying the most flexible travel system, then wrestling with features your routine never needed. Your stairs, trunk, terrain, and storage decide the fit. Choose portability, terrainability, or modular flexibility first. For one-piece travel and rideshare option, pick 1. Car Seat and Stroller by Duna. I'd choose this for frequent vehicle changes, city trips, and rideshares where separate stroller parts become frustrating. Its wheels fold into car seat mode and drop for stroller mode, so you're moving one combined unit. That means less loose gear during quick transfers. But convenience replaces flexibility here. There's no basket storage, which matters when you're carrying diapers, bottles, and personal items. Babies will typically outgrow this format within about 2 years. So skip it if you want generous storage or one stroller intended to continue beyond infancy. For all-terrain jogging travel system, pick 2. Expedition Jogger Travel System by Baby Trend. Rough paths change the decision, and I'd pick this when terrain matters more than easy lifting. The 3-wheel, bike tire format supports that role. Its front wheel locks straight for jogging, then swivels for tighter everyday turns. So it can shift between open paths and store aisles without changing strollers. The compromise is bulk, the stroller is heavy, and the canopy is small. Jogging also needs to wait until after the newborn period. Skip this if you're regularly carrying the stroller upstairs, squeezing it into limited storage, or prioritizing canopy coverage. For infant seat first modular trio, pick 3. Bravo LE ClearTex Trio by Chico. I'd take this when the included KeyFit Max ClearTex infant seat anchors the whole buying decision. During the newborn months, the stroller can become a dedicated car seat carrier. Later, it works as a regular stroller. Its fold stands upright, which is useful in a garage or entryway, while the basket opens from the front or back. But the cleaner carrier setup requires removing the regular stroller seat. Less premium versions of this system type are also available. Skip it if you won't use those configurations or want fewer parts to rearrange. For lightweight everyday travel system, pick 4. Smooth Ride by Safety First. Picture lifting your stroller into a trunk several times each day. That's where I'd favor this focused, lighter design. The stroller weighs 18 pounds, making stairs and frequent loading less demanding than a heavier terrain-oriented system. After removing the baby, you lift the seat strap to fold it. So the routine stays straightforward, but it isn't a fold you perform with the baby seated. The lighter construction also has less grip across bumpy ground. Skip it if uneven paths dominate your week, because its best fit is stores, smooth sidewalks, stairs, and regular trunk loading. For height adjustable, reversible travel system, pick 5. Mode's Nest Travel System by Graco. I'd pick this for parents who expect their preferred seating position to change across infancy. The stroller seat or included SnugRide car seat can move higher or lower on the frame. The stroller seat also faces either direction and converts into a newborn pram. That gives you meaningful configuration choices without buying separate stroller formats. But using the bare frame as a car seat carrier requires removing the stroller seat. Its plastic wheels aren't intended for rough terrain either. Skip it if gravel paths matter more than adjustable height, facing direction, and infant configurations. Choose Duna for vehicle hopping, Baby Trend for rougher routes, Chico for infant seat-centered flexibility, Safety First for lighter lifting, and Graco for adjustable seating. I'd let your hardest daily task break the tie. Before buying, picture your trunk, stairs, usual ground, and storage space. Then decide whether removing seats or carrying extra items will become daily friction. Prices and configurations change, so check before you buy. I'd default to the system matching your hardest routine, not the one offering the most modes. Switch toward lighter gear for stairs or terrain wheels for rough routes. Links are in the description.